Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to do what we're going to try to do, because I've never done it before, is we're going to try to do a buffalo chicken stromboli in the air fryer. So we're going to do this stromboli at I guess the pan needs to be in. Oops. We're going to do this stromboli at 370, and it's only supposed to take 10 minutes is my guesstimation. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. We're just going to let the temperature, we'll just let it at 15 minutes for now. We're going to try to do this. So, like I said, I've never done it before. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to find out. So anyway, I got a pizza crust. This is a pre-packaged pizza crust from like, I don't know, Robin Hood or whatever. It's the dry stuff and you add water to it. So anyway, we have this pizza crust here, which seems awful sticky, but we're gonna roll this out here. Probably gonna make a mess, but that's okay. I don't think we're going to need all this. This is actually 2 bags of pizza crust. We'll put that in there. So we're going to make a pizza crust, and it's just going to be a guess of how big to make this thing because it has to fit in that air fryer. So anyway, I'm going to try to roll this out without breaking everything. This isn't working out so good here. Let's get it squished out first. You know what? Let's just lose the board and do it right on the table. How about that? Just like that. I'm going to get rid of the board. Pizza crust has a hole in it already. So we're just going to roll this out without making holes in it. Right. We want the pizza crust to be about a quarter of an inch thick. Okay, we got our crust rolled out. Obviously, I'm not a professional pizza maker, so we're gonna put some sharp cheddar on here. Try to keep it towards the middle. I guess as much as you want to put in there. And we're going to put some, this is pre-cooked chicken. You can pre-cook your own. You can use the chicken out of a can. I'm all about convenience. This is supposed to be convenient cooking, not hard cooking. Pushing the chair away. Then we're going to put some jalapenos. You can put onions in here. You can put mushrooms in here, whatever, but I'm trying to stay on theme here with the whole buffalo chicken thing. Then we're going to put some wing sauce. I'm going to take a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. Just a wee little bit. Put in here. Then we're going to take some blue cheese crumbles, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit in here. some pepper. Some salt. Now we're going to try to fold this thing over gently without messing it up. Now, what you might want to do is you might want to moisten this side of the pizza dough to make the other side stick. So I'm going to get some water. What we're going to do is we're going to moisten this up, this side up. And we're going to fold this side over. And we're going to, again, press it together. It looks like we're going to have some excess dough here, so we're going to have to cut that off. Drag it back onto the board. So what we're going to do is we have some excess dough. We're going to cut off here. You better leave some extra just in case. So we'll just cut this off. And then we're gonna try to fold this up, and as I said, you might want to wet it some. Just want it to stick. And then lastly, what we're going to do, I think I got it sealed up enough, I guess we'll find out, to keep all this stuff inside. Lastly, we're going to brush it with some egg wash. This is what's going to give it some nice color. So we're going to coat the bottom of the air fryer with a little bit of oil, maybe even some on the sides. Pan cooking spray. Then we're going to attempt to pick this up here. Let's see what happens here. What we want to do is, because that thing's only so big, you might have to kind of horseshoe it a little bit. So we'll horseshoe it. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's egg wash. The pan sprayed. We're going to put it on 370 for 10 minutes. And we'll see in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been in for actually 7 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and stop it because I want to show it to you. 7 minutes at 370. Now hopefully it tastes as good as it looks and everything inside's hot enough. We'll find out here. If it's not, my suggestion would be that what we need to do is reduce the cooking temperature and cook it for a longer time. It took 7 minutes at 370. Like I said, I've never done this before, and I think it looks pretty amazing. We're going to go ahead and cut this stromboli open. What I didn't tell you is, after I made this one, I had enough dough left over that I went ahead and made that one. So that's 2 packs of the powdery instant dough that you just add water, Robin Hood, whatever brand you use. We're going to cut this open. We're going to see what it looks like inside. Hopefully it looks as good as it tastes. I mean, as good as it tastes, as good as it looks. Let's cut it open and see what we got. Looks delicious. And right there is the end result. What do you think, guys? Pretty good?
Yep.
That's
Really
all.
good.
That's awesome.